I'm about to do her hair. I'm gonna put a picture of the style that I'm doing. So this is her hair. Feel it and see if it feels different than how when you do yours.
Feel it, y'all. Feel it. Feel it.
Now you have to rate my hair
Yeah,
wash.
it feels different.
In a good or a bad way?
Good way.
It feels softer.
And my curls stay, because remember last time I washed my hair here, I think my curls went away. Remember when we came from the pool? Feels better. I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, your curls look good. Okay, so now
Why did you do it?
I don't know. It's like they're just so springy in the back. Look. Okay, so now I'm gonna part it down the middle first.
Wait, did you show them the style? Well, we could show it when you edit.
Yeah. It's just 2 braids. Since I do 2 braids a lot. Oh wait, I gotta get the grease.
Grease. It'll be funny if I fall. I think this is the grease.
This is the grease that... Wait, I gotta show you all the stuff. So I'm gonna use this grease. You probably already know this grease. And then I'm gonna use this leave-in. The good leave-in. And I use a rat tail comb. The tangling comb. This cute spray bottle. And Eco Gel for her edges. So I do it the exact same way that I do mine. So now I put it in small sections so I can comb it.
I wasn't trying to like know all the tea.
But it wasn't that much anyways in there. So it probably wouldn't have covered your whole head. So we just skip that step. Usually I put oil on my scalp. But it gotta be a specific oil. So now I wet the hair.
So I start freaking out and I'm like, oh shit, like I don't have my phone. It's such a bad habit back then of just carrying my phone in my hand. Like I didn't put it in my pockets or anything. I always like had it in one of my hands. And I knew she wasn't trying to hear none of my stuff because I was constantly like misplacing my phone. And she was like, oh my god, don't worry about it. It's inside somewhere. I was like, just wait here, I'm gonna go look for it. And I heard it super bad.
So right here I was just detangling her hair how I usually do with the same products. If you want to see how I detangle my hair, check out my how to detangle thick natural hair video. Yeah.
I'm gonna finish detangling and then I'll be right back after the camera charges a little bit. So guys,
Surprise! Wait, you gotta do like the beauty gurus do.
so this is how it looks.
She put the twisties and now she gonna let it take it out. My lips are dry.
So put your head down. Oh, the part, not all the way down, like semi down.
So guys, I didn't explain what I was doing, but I did flat twist on the side instead of braids. And basically you just like part a block and do 2 flat twists and then braid it into the one break going back, if that makes sense. But just keep watching. It's very simple. And yeah.
Okay, so I'm done. Show them. I gotta do her edges though. Your hair looks like an egg for real. Now I do her edges, but I do it with the mixing with the gel and the leave-in conditioner. Show them the back. Oh, that was a lot of leave-in conditioner.
It was doing the candy cane, y'all.
So I mixed the gel on my hand.
Hey Shirley, heard you got that drip, 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 drip.
Woo! Do you wet your edges first?
No. Wait, yes I do. I don't know. Do you gotta do what you gotta do?
Okay, guys. So I'm done now. Show them. No, like come back. Okay. So she just got out of jail, but that's my hair care routine now.
I just came out of jail and subscribe.